Hi, I'm Brian Glass, and today we're going to see if we can uncover and unearth some information about the DJI Mavic Pro and when it's going to be in my hands and when it's going to be in your hands. So stay tuned.
That is a good looking fish.
So I originally decided to get a drone, and it's going to be my first drone that I've ever used. I decided to get the DJI Phantom 4. I ordered that on December 1st of 2016, and it came in the mail about a week later. After it had been shipped, I was doing some research about what I wanted and some of the specs about the Phantom 4, and I stumbled upon the new release of the DJI Mavic Pro. So the official release date of the DJI Mavic Pro was supposed to happen on October 15th of 2016. They did not meet the release date, and they shipped out a few hundred units to satisfy some customers and to tell the market that, hey look, we're shipping out units. But in reality, they were actually not covering the orders that were coming in by the thousands. So they reset a new shipment date. On November 3rd of 2016, DJI released an official newsroom letter to customers, and it says, "Dear DJI customers, we owe you an apology for our delays in delivering the new Mavic Pro. We want to thank you for your patience and also advise that we are looking into improving our order process and systems based largely on your feedback." Blah 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 blah. And they never really came out and gave, a release date or said when they're actually gonna start shipping the orders that had been placed up to that point. So this November 3rd came and it went, and there was kind of a tentative release date that was posted on Reddit forums that it was gonna be, shipped out in mid-November, November 15th or a date like that. And as we all know, that came and went, and nothing really happened. Best Buy then pushed their orders to November 30th, and Apple actually pushed their orders of the Mavic Pro to December 13th. Also, those dates have came and they have went. I ordered my Mavic Pro on December 3rd, and today is January 17th, and I am still waiting. I do not have an estimated delivery, and from where I ordered it, which is through Amazon, it still does not have an official release date, and we'll touch on that a little bit later. So a little bit later on, there was a info leak that said that, the DJI Mavic Pro was now pushed, and all of the orders that had been placed before December 15th, I think, would be fulfilled by January 18th. And that is tomorrow for me. What has not happened is I have not had an order confirmation. I have not had a shipment date sent to me. I have not had tracking information, and the item definitely has not been shipped. DJI is frantically trying to push these orders out the door and out the door, and they're sending out a couple hundred units, but who receives these units is being almost kind of randomized, and there is still a huge unfulfilled order of the DJI Mavic Pro. After I found out that it was going to be January 18th when my item shipped, I decided to wait and wait and wait. And then about a week ago, I received an email from Amazon, and it said, look, hey, the new release date is on, January 25th through, and it will be sent, January 26th through January 28th. And I said, whatever, I can wait another week. I've waited a month and a half. And then 12 or 15 hours later, I received another email, and it said the new release date of the DJI Mavic Pro is March 20th of 2017, and they were pushing the estimated delivery to March 27th to March 30th. And so I was kind of frustrated. I was like, whatever, I'm gonna wait and kind of see what happens. I started looking into trying to find some information on the web about what is happening and where these drones are and why they have not been shipped out yet, and I have not found any information posted in the last month pretty much about what's happening with all these unfulfilled orders, because I'm sure there are thousands upon thousands of people waiting to get the DJI Mavic Pro, and DJI is refusing to talk to anyone. So I waited a few more days, And over that time, I would receive an email every 12 hours, and it said, we have good news. Your new shipping date is January 20th through January 27th. And then 12 hours later, it would switch and would say, we're sorry, but the new estimated delivery date is March 27th through March 30th. And it switched back and forth every 12 hours. And it's happened about 10 times over the course of the last week. And it's been really frustrating. So a few days ago, I actually called DJI and I got a hold of their customer support. I was on the phone on hold to speak to a representative for well over an hour and a half, and when I finally got a hold of a representative, they said, oh, you know, we're shipping the DJI Mavic right now. Like, if you order it on the DJI website, after your order is confirmed, you will receive the DJI Mavic Pro in 5 to 7 business days after order confirmation. And anyways, I was frustrated and I said, hey, look, this is what's happening with my Amazon order that is actually through DJI. And I said, can you give me any information about why it keeps switching back and forth? And I kind of knew that, yeah, I'd have to go through Amazon, but I was curious if they had any information. And she was very, very rude, and she was very short with me, and she would not give any information about what has happened. And I said, if I order right now, when will I receive my order? And she said, your order will be confirmed today, because it was early in the day, it was about 11 o'clock, and she said it'll probably be confirmed today, and you will receive the DJI Mavic Pro in the next 5 to 7 business days. Well, 4 business days later, I have not even got an email confirming my order from DJI, let alone a shipment date or anything. So I have the Phantom 4 that I'm returning, $1,500. I've got an Amazon order placed for the DJI Mavic Pro Fly More kit, which is, you know, $1,300. And then I decided to place another order through DJI, through the website, and that was another $1,300. So, you know, my bank account's not liking me right now. I've got 3 drones that I've ordered, and one of them I'm sending back, and 2 of them I'm waiting on. And I'm gonna cancel the order on whichever one comes last. So I'm hoping that DJI or Amazon will get their shit together, but up to this point, nothing has happened. So I called Amazon and I said, hey, look, this is what's happening. Can you kind of give me an estimate about, you know, when you think my delivery date will be, or if there's any information in the system that you can find other than the release date is March 20th, because it was actually released on October 15th, months and months before that release date through Amazon. So after I received that email yesterday that it had been pushed back again to the end of March, I decided to give Amazon another call, and I spoke to a nice gentleman with very broken English, and after about a half hour on the phone, he told me that he was going to track my account and over the next couple days try to figure out what exactly is happening and why it's bouncing back and forth, because he was able to see the emails that had been sent to me 10 times about the order shipping back and forth between January and the end of March. So as of right now, on January 17th, 2017, orders that have been placed around the same time frame as me, December 3rd of 2016, there is no new information. I have searched all over the web and I have not found any place where DJI is saying, hey, look, we're sorry, our new release date for the DJI Mavic Pro is going to be on March 20th or whatever it may be. They are refusing to speak with the public. They're not speaking to any tech websites or any YouTubers, and there is really no information available about people that ordered their drone a month ago, 2 months ago, or even a week ago. There's no information available on the web. So, unfortunately, I wish I could give you guys a day of when you're gonna get your drone, but right now, there's nothing available, and DJI is refusing to correspond. Even if you call the customer support line, they're pretty actually rude about it, and they will not talk to you. They just say, you know, well, order one through DJI and it'll ship in 5 to 7 business days. And it's really not true, because that was 5 days ago, 4 days ago, and I haven't even got an order confirmation yet. So let me know if you found any information. Leave it in the comments below. When there's an update about the DJI Mavic Pro, I will let everyone know. And I'm actually going to do an unboxing and first review of the DJI Mavic Pro, since I have never used drones and it'll be my first time. So it'll be a good first look for beginners that are just getting into drones. When that happens, I will leave a link in the description. Remember to subscribe and like, and thank you for your time.